In this video, I replaced the drive cable on this Toro 22-inch mower. The drive cable engages the pulley, which allows power to be sent to the front wheels for the self-propelled feature of this mower. Buddy and I here are not professionals in this field, so take this video as what I did, not necessarily the right way to do things. Hopefully you can learn something from it though. I linked the video that I learned how to do this from in the description. So go check out that video and that guy's channel. To remove the cable, you disconnect this. In my case it was broken, so didn't have to disconnect it. Then loosen this up and this metal piece will slide through there. Then there's two screws that hold on this safety cover that are underneath, and then just install the new cable. Loosen it up just a little bit and pulling it through the bottom. Okay, there are two screws underneath. There they are. Because of the brightness out here, I can't film underneath there, but come out real easily. They go into this plastic, so not on tight. Here's the holes right there and right there. Just loosen those up. I used a 3/8 inch drive. This one's a little tricky because this box is kind of in the way, but I was able to get it off with not too much trouble. So there's the cable. Here's a helpful tip. If you're looking for parts for the lawnmower, that is the serial and model number for the engine. The serial and model number for the lawnmower is right there. Zip ties on there to hopefully avoid that problem in the future. And there we go. Now it's time to mow the lawn.